Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach new syllabus 8th standard contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited and you will learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 1.3 sums. First one, verify the closure property for addition and multiplication for rational numbers minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. What is the closure property? If you add or multiply any rational number, we get the rational number. If we get the rational number, that property is satisfied. So let us check. So we will take a equal to minus 5 by 7 and b equal to 8 by 9. So first closure property for addition. So adding these two rational number. So 7 cover 9 means it is not divisible by cross multiply and write the denominator 7 into 9 63. And after here you cross multiply minus 5 into 9 plus 8 into 7. So minus 45 plus 8 sevens are 56. 1 minus 1 plus means subtract and put the greater number sign. 56 minus 45 11. Greater number here plus, so by 63. So it came only rational number. So closure property is true. Next, multiplication. So a equal to minus 5 by 7, b equal to 8 by 9 means a into b minus 5 by 7 into 8 by 9. Direct multiply with the numerator minus 5 into 8 minus 40. 7 into 9, 63. So closure property here also true for multiplication because it came only the rational numbers. Second one, verify the commutative property. Commutative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. So let us first one this A, second one that is B. So A plus B first we will find. After we will find B plus A. If the answers are equal, it is true for addition. Let us check. A plus B equal to minus 10 by 11 plus minus 8 by 33. So we find the LCM because it is divisible by 11. So 11 table, 1 11 is 11, 3. Next 3, 1, 1. So LCM is 11 into 3, 33. So first write minus 10, 33 in 11. 3 times, so into 3 plus 33 in 3, 33 1 time, so minus 8 into 1. So minus 10 into 3 minus 30 minus 8 into 1 minus 8. So both the same sign means we can add and put the same sign. So minus 38 by 33. So you take it this one first equation. Second one, b plus a equal to, so write b value and a value. So 33 and 11 also we will get the same LCM 33. So first write minus 8, 33 in 33 1 time, so write it into 1 plus 33 in 11 3 times, so minus 10 into 3. So here also minus 8 plus minus 30 means same sign. So we add the number and put the minus sign. So minus 38 by 33. This is second equation. Here you see 1 equal to 2. That is a plus b equal to b plus a. Same answer. So addition is commutative. Next, multiplication. So we will check whether multiplication is commutative or not. So A value right and B value right, multiply minus 10 into minus 8, minus into minus plus. So minus into minus plus, 10 8s are 80 and 11 33s are 363. So 80 by 363, that first equation, and B into A, B value substitute and A value substitute. Here also minus 8 into minus 10 means minus into minus plus, 8 into 10 80, 33 into 11 363. So this is second equation, so therefore 1 equal to 2. Same answer we will get it. So A into B equal to B into A here. So multiplication is commutative. Third one, verify the associative property for addition and multiplication. First, let us see the associative property. Bracket of A plus B, closing bracket. This is associative property for addition. A plus bracket of B plus C. If it is equal both sides, that is true for addition. So let us check LHS. So here A plus B plus C, bracket of. So first substitute the value A and plus B inside the bracket and C. First 9, 6 inside the bracket only we have to simplify first using BIDMAS rule. So 9, 6. So 3 table divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 2 and 3. 1 3 is 3, 2. Again 2, 1, 1. If you multiply 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18 is the LCM. So 18 LCM, first you write it minus 7, 18 in 9, 9 2s are 18, so into 2, plus 18 in, first write it plus 5 into 18 in 6, 3 times, so 5 into 3. So minus 7 into 2 plus 5 into 3. So you simplify this, minus 14 plus 15 by 18. So 1 minus 1 plus means subtract and put to the greater number sign. So 15 minus 14, 1. So plus 1 by 18 plus minus 4 by 3. Again we have to do 18, 3 LCM because it is divisible by 3 both. So 3, 6, 1, 3, 2, 1. So 2, 1, 1. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So here also 18 only. So 18, first you write it this 1. 18 in 18, 1 time only. So 1 into 1, 1. Plus, write it minus 4. 18 in 3, 6 times. So minus 4 into 6. So 1 plus minus 24. Subtract the number 24 minus 1. Greater number here minus. So minus 23 by 18 is the first answer. So let us check RHS. A plus bracket of B plus C. So A this one, B and C. Inside the bracket again 6, 3. What is the LCM? 6, 3. 3 table divisible by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 1. Again 2, 1, 1. So 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. So you write it as such this one. First 5. 6 in 6 one time only. So 5 into 1 5. Plus 6 in 3 2 times. So minus 4 into 2. So simplify again. That is 5 plus minus 4 into 2 minus 8 by 6. And again 1 plus 1 minus means subtract. 8 minus 5 3. Greater number having minus sign. So minus 3 by 6. So we get it now minus 7 by 9 plus minus 3 by 6. So minus 3 by 6 also we cancel. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So minus 7 by 9 plus minus 1. 9 comma 2, it is not both divisible by any number. So we can directly multiply. 9 into 2, 18. If we direct multiply means here also you cross multiply. 7 into 2, that is minus 7 into 2 plus minus 1 into 9. Minus 7 into 2, 14 plus minus 1 into 9, minus 9 by 18. Here also both minus means add the number. 14 plus 9, 23, same sign minus 23 by 18. Second RHS answer this. Here we see one answer is equal to second answer. First answer is equal to second one. Therefore, it is true for addition. Which property? Associative property. Second subdivision, associative property for multiplication. First we see the rule, bracket of A into B, closing bracket into C equal to A into bracket of B into C. So first let us see the LHS side. So here LHS. So substitute the value A, B, C. First inside the bracket we simplify. Minus 7 into 5 minus 35. 9 6 are 54 into minus 4 by 3. So first multiply the number. 4 5s are 20. 0 2 4 3s are 12 plus 2 140. Minus into minus plus. Denominator 3 4s are 12 1. Here 2 write it 1 carry over. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 162. Cancel with the 2 table. 7 2s are 14 0. 8 2s are 16 1 2 is 2. So 70 by 81 is the LHS answer. You write it 1. Next RHS side you see A into bracket of B into C. Substitute A, B, C value. Inside the bracket 5 into minus 4 minus 20. 6 3s are 80. Again 7 into 20 140 minus into minus plus. 9 8s are 72 7. 9 1s are 9 plus 7 16 162. Here also cancel with the 2 tables. 7 2s are 14 0. 8 2s are 16 1 2 is 2. So 70 by 81. This is the RHS answer. Put it 2. Therefore 1 equal to 2. Therefore associative property for multiplication is true for rational numbers. Fourth one, verify distributive property A into bracket of B plus C closing bracket equal to bracket of A into B closing bracket plus bracket of A plus C closing bracket. So we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. First, let us see LHS side. So A into B plus C, substitute the value A, B and C. Inside the bracket B plus C, first you simplify, find out LCM. 3, 6. So 3, 1, 3 is 3, 2, 3s are 6. So 2, 1, 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. 6. First you write it minus 1 by 2 into 6 denominator write it. First write it 2. 6 in 3 2 times. 2 3s are 6. So 2 into 2 plus first minus 5 write it. 6 in 6 1 time. So minus 5 into 1. After you simplify this 2 into 2 4 plus minus 5 into 1 minus 5 by 6. Again 4 plus minus 5, 1 plus 1 minus means subtract and put the greater number. 5 minus 4 1. Here greater number having minus sign, so minus 1 by 6. After multiplying minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. 2, 6 are 12. This is the first LHS answer equation. RHS side you see A into B inside the bracket plus bracket of A into C. Substitute the value A into B here, A into C. Directly multiply minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 3s are 6. Here also minus 1 into minus 5, plus 5, minus into minus plus 2, 6 are 12. Again find the LCM 6, 12. So take it to 3 table. 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12. 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So first 12 denominator write it, write the numerator minus 2, 12 and 6 2 times, so into 2 write it, plus 5 write it here, 12 in 12 1 time, so 5 into 1. Simplify again, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 5 into 1 5. So minus 4 plus 5, subtract the greater to smaller 1, greater number having plus symbol, so plus 1 by 12. So we second RHS answer. Here also 1 equal to 2. Therefore distributive property for rational number, also distributive property of multiplication over addition is true for rational numbers. Fifth one, verify the identity property for addition and identity property for multiplication for the rational numbers 15 by 19 and minus 18 by 20. What is the identity property for addition? That is 0. That means whatever the rational number, if we add with 0, we get the same number. So here you see 15 by 19 plus 0, we get 15 by 19 only. Minus 18 by 25 plus 0, we get it minus 18 by 25 only. So addition property is satisfied. Next, identity property for multiplication means that is 1. If you multiply with any number with 1, we get the same number, that is multiplication. So here also 15 by 19 into 1, we get it 15 by 19. Minus 18 by 25 into 1, minus 18 by 25. Therefore multiplication also true, it is verified. Verify the additive and multiplicative inverse property for given rational numbers. So first let us see additive inverse. Additive inverse means whatever the rational number, if it is plus means that minus is the additive inverse. So here you take minus 7 by 17 means plus 7 by 17 is additive inverse. How to verify? If you add the number and this additive inverse, if we get it 0, that property is satisfied. Here you see 17 denominator same only. So if the denominators are same, we can write the numerator as such. So minus 7 plus 7, that is 0. So 0 by 17 also 0 only. So next number 17 by 27 given. What is the additive inverse of this number? Plus means minus. So minus 17 by 27 is the additive inverse. Here you simplify 27, take it common, 17 plus minus 17. 1 plus 1 minus, subtract the number. 17 minus 17 also 0. So 0 by 27 also 0. Therefore additive inverse verified. Next, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means whatever the rational number given, we have to write the reciprocal of that number. So minus 7 by 17 means what is the reciprocal? 17 by minus 7. Okay, so 17 by minus 7, write it. So now you multiply minus 7 into 17 by 17 into minus 7. Here also minus 7, that is one time. 17 cancel, that also one time. So we get it the answer 1. Therefore the multiplicative inverse means whatever the rational number given, we have to write the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of that number. If we multiply both, if we get it 1, that multiplicative inverse verified. So first one verified. Second one, 17 by 27, reciprocal of this number is 27 by 17. Here also cancel with the 27, cancel one time, 17 also one time. So here also we get it 1 only. Therefore multiplicative inverse verified. Objective types. Closure property is not true for division of rational numbers because of the number. That means if we take it 2 by 0, that answer is not defined. Therefore, that answer is because of the number 0 only. Next one, 1 by 2 minus bracket of 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6 is not equal to 1 bracket of 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 closing bracket minus 5 by 6 illustrates that subtraction does not satisfy. This is associative property only. So associative property for rational numbers. Following illustrates the inverse property for addition. First one you see that 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 equal to 0. 1 by 8, the number additive inverse of 1 by 8 is minus 1 by 8. So if we add it, we can get it as 0 only. Therefore first option is correct. That is the inverse property for addition. 10th one, 3 by 4 into bracket of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 closing bracket equal to 3. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 illustrates the multiplication is distributive over here subtraction only. So answer is subtraction. Thank you students. Revise it thoroughly. We will see in the next class, next exercise.